So this is how you can download DeepSeek R1 locally. It's actually quite simple. What you're going to want to do is basically open up any kind of browser and then search for DeepSeek. So simply open this up. This is the very first link, and here we are. So here it gives you two options on how to use DeepSeek. But first, what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is basically an AI tool which can help you do loads of things. So how do you actually download this? Well, you could either start now and use it on the browser by simply tapping on the Start Now button, or what you could do is get it on the app. So you can get it on your Android or on your iPhone or whatever you may have because you can download it everywhere. So simply open that up, the download the DeepSeek button. As you can see, it says it's an intelligent AI assistant, and there it is. You're gonna want to tap on Get on App Store, and it's going to link us to this app right here. Now all you have to do is simply tap on Get and then verify and put in your password or your Face ID, and then you will be able to finally download DeepSeek. So what does it do? Well, it's an AI assistant. It says it does file reading, web searching, intelligent Q&A, and it solves. So if you have any math problems or if you want to basically put in a file and then tell the DeepSeek AI to sum it up, this is your best bet. So that is how you can download DeepSeek. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.